Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Sterling the Investor, and in today's video, we're going to do our Forex market preview for the week of 12/9. For everybody that's new to the channel, we discuss multiple topics such as investing, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle. And to everybody that's been with us for a while, we appreciate your support, so we'll jump right into it. So basically, the first pair I wanted to look at was a pair that I spoke about and I posted a video on toward the end of last week, which was the British pound New Zealand dollar. And at this point, we were looking for a price to break below the trend line and, starting to make some lower highs and lower lows. And that's exactly what is happening right now. We have some descending bearish action going on right now. I would still consider it consolidation. It really hasn't broken down into a strong downtrend. However, the market is doing what it's supposed to do, is making, slightly lower highs, slightly lower lows. And before I get involved, I'll be looking for a stronger push down. So that's what I'll be looking for this week on this currency pair is I'll be looking for basically the reverse of this action right here. You see how this is making, beautiful higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. I'll be looking for the market to do that, but go in this direction. And, if you zoom out to the bigger time frames, I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. It looks like that's what we're headed for when you look at the higher time frame. We're in a bona fide downtrend on the 4-hour chart. So I don't see why price wouldn't continue to push down on the British pound New Zealand dollar. Next pair we'll look at is the Euro USD. All right, so we've got the Euro USD 4-hour chart. We can see, pretty strong consolidation going on right now. We zoom in to the 30-minute chart. I don't really see any opportunities here. If you like to trade range bound opportunities, you could be looking to get short, and, play it down here into the structure zone down here. If you set a stop loss above the high, you could be looking at a minimum 3 or 4 to 1 risk reward, on that trade. So it's not a bad setup. It just doesn't fit particularly in my trading philosophy. So it's not something that I'd be looking for. All right, let's pop into the USD Canadian dollar. In terms of the USD Canadian dollar, we're in an uptrend. Based on our 30-minute chart, we're above the 500 moving average. Price is making, minor higher highs and higher lows. So if we see a strong bullish candle, push upwards, I could be looking to get involved there, back up into the structure zone here. So that could be a potential opportunity that we're looking at. So right now, two things on the radar: Euro, New Zealand dollar, and British pound, New Zealand dollar, and US dollar, Canadian dollar. We'll pop at the USD JPY chart. So I had someone, send me a message via Instagram regarding the USD JPY chart, just because we've had so much success on this chart and we've made a lot of money off of this chart this year. And, as you can see, we're in our downtrend. Prices continuing to, push itself down. You pop out to our bigger chart, in the 4-hour chart, you can see price is getting ready to close below that 500 moving average. So we'll be looking for, a lower high, lower low situation, here on our smaller time frame. We'll be looking for some action, similar to that, similar to something that we took advantage of, last week. We'll be looking for something similar on that. So we're always looking at USD JPY, possible opportunity on USD Canadian dollar, and British pound New Zealand is doing exactly, what we thought it would do, and nothing on Euro USD to recap the pairs that we've looked at so far. So now I'll hop into, Euro GBP, which is one of our favorite pairs to trade, just because you make it a little bit more per pip when trading this currency pair. And right now, we're making higher highs and higher lows, so we'll be looking for that second, higher low and a strong bullish candle, something similar to this right here or this right here, to get involved in the market. So, that's something to keep our eye on as well, the Euro GBP. So you pop out in our 4 hour time frame, confirmed uptrend. So that matches our bias to be looking for long opportunities. So if there's any currency pairs that any of you guys would ever like to see me break down in the weekly forex preview, just leave them in the comments below. Feel free to send me a direct message via Instagram or shoot me a quick email, and I'll be happy to break down anything you guys want me to take a look at. And I hope you guys enjoyed this preview, and good luck trading this week, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.